students, today we are going to start next exercise of chapter number 9, that is exercise 9.2. In this exercise we will discuss how to add and subtract the algebraic expressions. Before going to start our topic, first of all we need to know some basic steps to add and subtract algebraic expressions. That means first of all when we have to add the terms, first of all write down all the terms in the different row, then put the like terms one below the other. That means we will going to start our first example. We have to add these algebraic expressions. So first of all write different algebraic expressions in the different row. So that means we will write this in the first row, second in the second row, and third in the third row. Then write the like terms one below the other. That means if we write here AB minus BC in the second term, write the like terms one below the other. BC and BC, these are the like terms. So here we will write BC and CA. This is not CA, the like terms, so we'll write CA in the different position. Then in the third algebraic expressions, here we have CA. So put CA below this term because they are like terms. Next is AB. AB like terms of this term, so we'll write AB in the first number. So this is the main procedure which we need to know before going to add and subtract algebraic expressions. After this we can add these terms very easily because these are like terms and first is in the positive form and second is in the negative form. So these terms can be cancelled and here we have 0. In this term also first is negative, this is in positive form, it can be cancelled out, so here also we have 0 and these are also cancelled out, so here we have 0. So when we add these three terms, then we get our answer is 0. So our write the different algebraic expressions in the different row and like terms one below the other. Let's do one more question of same type. Statement is 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. This is first, and second is 4pq plus 9 minus 3p square and q square. So first of all write first algebraic expressions in the first row. So here we have 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4, and second in the second row, but match the like terms. This is of the pq terms, here we have the like terms, so we can write it 9. This is the constant term, so write constant term below 4. This is the terms of p square q square, so write this term below this term. Put the sign with the term. It is in the negative form, so put negative sign here. If here we have no sign, then put the positive sign. After this we can solve. Both of the signs are of addition, so we can add these terms, then we get 13. Plus minus minus, but sign of the positive. That is here we have 1pq. Next positive, negative, negative and sign of the negative, p square, q square and 1. This is our final answer. Now do some questions of subtraction. Statement is 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. We have to subtract this term from next term is 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. हमें इस टर्म को उस टर्म में से माइनस करना है. एज वी नो, जिस टर्म में से हमें माइनस करना होता है उस टर्म को हम फर्स्ट रो में लिखते हैं. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू राइट दिस टर्म इन द फर्स्ट रो. माइनस 9ab plus 5b minus 3. After this, write this algebraic expression in the second row, but below the like term. First term we have of the 4a. We can write here below 12a. ab, this is also of the term of ab. Minus sin 7ab. 3b, like terms, then 12. In the subtraction question, in the third row we have to write the opposite sign of the first row. This is the main step of the question of subtraction. In the starting rows we write the algebraic expressions, but in the last row write the opposite sign of last expressions. This is in the positive form, so write here negative. Negative, write here positive. Positive, negative. Positive, negative. Now we will use these sign. Note these sign. In the subtraction question, this is the main step. Now start to do the subtraction. Negative, negative. Just leave this sign. Negative, negative. That means negative. So here we have 50. Next, positive, negative. Positive, negative will be negative, but sign of the big term. So here we have 2b. Negative, positive. That means negative sign of the big term. So here we have 2ab. In the like term, just subtract the coefficient, not the variable. In the like terms, just subtract the coefficients. A, 12a minus 4, 12 minus 4, that is 8a. So this is our final answer. Let's do one more question. Statement is 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx. We have to this term from next algebraic expressions is 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. So first of all, write this algebraic expression in the first row. So our solution will be 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. This in the second, but below the like terms. 3xy. This is of the xy term, 3xy. 5yz plus 5yz. Zx, 7zx. And in the third row, write the opposite sign of second algebraic expression. So this is the positive form. Here we will write negative. Positive, negative. Negative, positive. There is no any term, so we will not change the sign here. We will write here as it is in our final answer, because there is no any term. Here negative, positive will be negative and sign of the big term. That means of the positive sign. just subtract the coefficient, not the variable. We will write the variable as it is. Just subtract the coefficient. 7 minus 2, that is 5. Leave this sign. Just negative, negative, that is negative. Write the variable same to same and add the coefficient, that is sign 7. Here we have xy. Positive negative is negative, but sign of the big term positive. 5 minus 3, that is 2, 8. So this is are the final answers. So before going to add and subtract any algebraic expression, we have to know that write different algebraic expression in the different row, and after this write the same alike terms one below the other. Okay.